5:20 I'll be here. By 5:45 I'll have everything started in the kitchen. The day before we have a chat and we know what we're doing next day. A lot of my time is cooking, planning, menus, nutrition. We'll have the hydration, vitamin C. So the idea is that we'll start with a bowl of porridge for the energy levels. And we'll have the protein. And after there's the veg. And after we go to the birch mueslis and the sliced fruit. So we're trying to give them an idea of what they need to follow. Routine is very good, but at the same time I like to break routine sometimes. So I'll change things around the room so it just gives you a bit of freshness.
So today's a prep day really for match day for me. I'm playing on Friday this week, so this is our last major training day. I got to the training ground about 6:30 this morning. Laid the lads' training kit out in the changing room for them, so really they don't have to think about anything other than turn up and do their job.
I've had a bit of history with some back problems, so I know every morning that I need to do some mobility in my back. Most mornings I do a bit of Pilates and a bit of form of yoga, just to switch on the core and make sure I'm ready to start each day well and perform in each session. We've got a nutritionist. He uses the term flames, so we know how many flames we need to get for each session. So we have a heavy session, then we're looking at 5 to 6 flames or higher maybe. The food here is exceptional with our chef Will, and we know when we go in the food's fully prepared already, so we just plate it up and eat.
There's different options, so today we'll have sticky rice, there will be a katsu curry, so breaded chicken, there's breadcrumbs again. My challenge is always changing menus and make sure that they like it.
We have lots of meetings throughout the week, so Mondays are reviews where we review the process from the week before, and then Tuesday onwards we sort of process and look to how we're going to attack teams for that weekend. And then once we're out on the field, we know what we're trying to achieve and we have that process to follow, and drills are laid out to achieve the goals set out for the weekend and the way that we're trying to play and how we're going to attack and defend teams. Today we've still got upper body weights to do, but then once we're finished here, some boys find that pool recovery helps. They go to the pool and stretch and stuff. We're at a stage now where we have to find out what works for yourself. There's ice bath opportunities, there's massage slots, there's physio treatment. We've got membership to Headspace. Lots of the boys are using Headspace as an opportunity to, process things and go from there. We can train as much as we like throughout the week, but if we're not going to go and deliver what we've practiced, then it's kind of pointless. So that's a large part is trust. We talk about it a lot, is trusting the process and trusting each other.